What's up everyone, and welcome to New Tool Tuesday. Now today we're going to take a look at this Craftsman Tradestack 22-inch tool bag. The reason I bought this is because, let me see if I could show you here. I actually had to unload tools from it. I have this Tradestack bag right here that I use, and I keep it in my truck, and when I go to somebody's house or when I go to do anything, I can pull it out. It's got all my tools in it. I can't fit all my tools in that bag, and it worries me that I'm going to rip the handles right off of it because it's so heavy. I don't know how much weight that can handle, but it doesn't feel like there's maybe 40 pounds in there, if that. This one claims to be able to hold 66 pounds, and as you can see, it's a lot larger. So it's got a wide opening at the top where that one doesn't. It kind of closes and zips up, which it's not that big of a deal. It's more of an irritation than anything. I paid $60 for this bag, and we're going to take a quick look at it. That's not telling me nothing. So it's got your little level guy here. It's got a, oh, that's for the shoulder strap. Ooh, the shoulder strap actually looks, wait a minute. Oh yeah, it's bigger. It's going to be more comfortable. It's very similar. This whole bag is almost identical in design to the Tradestack bag, but bigger. Bigger, can hold more weight. Let's see, we got a zipper. What we got going on in here? A little zipper there to keep things. Little pockets up here. Supposedly. Now you can open up the side here. Oh, look at that, look at that. I thought it said there was access to the main compartment from the side compartments. That is not the case, at least on this side. They do have, I'll show you here, they've got these fancy little zippers that you could put locks on. That's kind of nice. I don't think I'll have to lock anything because it stays locked in my truck. More pockets here, and like screwdriver or wrench holders. Tape measure holder. I love the tape measure holder. It's got a little tape holder on it. Let's just take this shoulder strap off for a minute. Here's the other side. Same thing. Bunch of pockets. Again, no access to that. I thought it said it did on the website. It's not that big of a deal, really. And then the main compartment, we'll pull the shoulder strap out of there. The main compartment consists of a couple very large, it's got a divider. The divider has pockets in it. It doesn't have a pocket on this side, that's weird. Bunch of little pockets in there, but ultimately the moral of the story is, well, that's kind of cool. It's got a little handle so you can zip. That's kind of neat. Moral of the story is it's a lot larger. I already struggle to carry that small one. I'm going to really struggle to carry this one, but anyway, this is I believe this is a versatile piece of equipment that I'm going to be getting a lot of use out of in my business, hauling my tools around. I don't know if it'll fit in the same spot in the truck. I might have to reorganize some stuff, but anywho, I'm going to get my tools piled in it, and look forward to seeing a lot more about this thing in the future. Thanks a million for watching, guys. If you like these New Tool Tuesdays, leave a comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up. Just let me know if you like them. And furthermore, if there's any new tools that you guys would like to see me review, let me know down below, and we'll see you on the next one.